Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to type on Samsung phone without keyboard. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung phone. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on General Management. Once you click on General Management, scroll down, locate keyboard list and default and then click on that. Then under default keyboard, select your default keyboard. And here, set your default keyboard to Samsung. After that, turn on Google Voice Typing. If this is disabled, turn this on and click on OK. Now, when next you want to type your Samsung phone, just go ahead and open any messaging app. Then click on the text to type. Now locate the mic icon at the bottom left. Click on it. Alright guys, let's meet by 10 a.m. in the morning. Once you're done, go ahead and turn off the mic. And then hit the send button, and that is it. So that is exactly how to type on Samsung without keyboard. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.